Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. It's Sunday, the 12th of May. It's nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. And just a quick tour, a quick catch up of what's occurring in the greenhouse. Here we have my super tall sunflowers. So they will be getting potted on outside today when I've cut the lawns. They're the ones in the windows there. And then through these beautiful field of cosmos, there's 24 in there, we have my eight plants. We have Evening Primrose, Alisums, pansies, marigolds, delphiniums, lobelia and 10-week stocks in there. Come over here, we have, these are my Farmer Graces, sorry. Dahlias, there's 4 dahlias in there, and then we have 8 begonias, but just coming through, which is great. And then here, 10-week stocks, and some marigolds, little flower heads on. These are some pop bottles I'm going to be using to plant up some tomatoes. We come round here, we have 6 lupins, which are great, and they're Chelsea mix. Then we have some strawberries here, just starting to fruit nicely. There is 4 pots there, with 3 or 4 plants in each pot, which is great. And we come round here, we have 2 dahlias, and then some tomatoes at the back. We have burlesque, cherry. Over here, these are some plants I bought from the Morrisons. Begonias down the bottom there, pelargoniums, and some carnations, some pinks, which are absolutely stunning. And then here, wow, look at these. These are Thompson and Morgan pug petunias when I got them. Several different colours. So I'll put these up next couple of days, which would be great. But yeah, the scent in here is absolutely amazing now. And down here, here's some dahlias. Some more petunias, some sweet peas. And then at the bottom here, some more lupins. So yeah, the scent in here is absolutely stunning. So beautiful. And the colours are absolutely great. So yeah, like I said, I've just got the lawn to cut outside. I'm just getting on with and get the boards ready on the back. But then I'm going to cut the front lawn, and then we're going to take these super tall sunflowers out to the front, pot them on into 12-inch pots, stick some canes in there, and let them carry on growing at the front, because the weather's really nice now at the moment. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything you're in mind going on greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.